How to fix screen recording not working on iPhone. So let's begin. There are actually three ways that I can suggest. The first one is by restarting your phone. So to do that, you just simply press and hold onto your volume and your power button, turn off your phone, and then turn it on once again. If you have the assistive touch, you just simply click on that assistive touch, click on device, click on more, and click on restart found on the lower right of the assistive touch. Now, for the second method, if the first method still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is that you clear the storage of your phone. So you go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and make sure to delete or unload the apps that you are not using anymore. So in that way, you will be able to free up some storage. You may also delete your pics and videos that you are not using anymore. And then again, if it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to update the iOS of your phone. So to do that, go again to settings, go to general, and go to software update. Make sure to update to the latest iOS that you have, and then that's it. That's how you can fix screen recording not working on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.